The medical laboratory science program in the undergraduate area is for students planning to go on and work in a clinical laboratory, typically a hospital laboratory, but they may decide to work in industry, they may decide to work in like a transfusion collection facility like Blood Bank of Delaware, American Red Cross. They're interested in helping patients, but more behind the scenes.
I chose this program because I still wanted to be involved with the healthcare setting. I liked that laboratory setting, and I thought that this major would do just that, because I would be testing blood samples and everything like that comes from the patients.
I've always been somebody that's a very hands-on learner, and most of our classes are geared towards labs, and that was kind of the selling point for me.
The curriculum for the medical laboratory science program starts with the first 2 years where students are taking their prerequisite science courses as well as breadth electives, math, English, those types of courses. And that's to prepare them for the second 2 years of the program where they're immersed in the clinical laboratory testing side of things. So the students are learning testing to help facilitate the diagnosis of patients' diseases and conditions, the therapy of them, as well as prevention. We need people to stay healthy and well.
I think being a medical laboratory science really is you looking ahead, and I think grad school looks at that. They say, why did you pick this major? You know, I think if you're going into medical school, a lot of people are bio majors, so what's going to set you different? And I think medical laboratory science definitely does that, because you go onto the site and you're doing the clinical stuff, you do the back end. You're going to be ordering these tests one day, but do you know what these tests do?
The students will have clinical practicums that we schedule for them in their senior year. They will go out basically from about January to May. We have quite a network of hospitals and other diagnostic laboratories that the students will be sent to. And they will be working right alongside practicing medical laboratory scientists, and then how they can impact patient care through that.
This is an opportunity to see what the job is like and potentially secure a job.